Alright, so we're just going to take a trip from my house to school in Lund from Stehog. So this is where I'm at, old 18th or 19th century rail hotel. People are probably going to think I'm a little bit odd narrating this, so I'll probably keep the narration down to a minimum. So this train here runs by during the weekdays, goes to Lund at about every 27 minutes after the hour and every 10 minutes before the next hour. So for instance, right now it's about 9:27. That's whenever the train will be by here. And it'll come by again at about 9:50. Not going to end up recording this whole journey because it'll take about 20 minutes. That's a lot of video. No one really wants to watch that. So I'll cut out as soon as the train actually gets here. Then I'll turn back on whenever we're unloading.